could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again.